Hi guys, so a lot of students can navigate their way through the past paper portal. They think that past paper portal पे चीज़ें available नहीं हैं, but in reality they are available. If you go to your past paper portal, this is the O level IGCC May June past paper portal. You click on this and then you get recordings right here. Now a lot of students say, sir, these are only these things are present. What do we do, sir? Nothing is showing. You can see there is a line right here. You can either drag this line all the way across. You get 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2019. You get topical questions for certain past for certain chapters. You get past practice questions for certain chapter. Then you have these live classes which I conduct, and the classes that you have not watched or you have missed during the 2025 May June session. These are available right here. You open MCQs, you open theory, you open ATP. So that's the idea. Then you have crash course quick revision for certain chapters, like these seven chapters, major chapters in Kili. Crash courses are also available. And then towards the end, you also have a guest paper available. That's how you navigate your way. Please understand that you guys think that only this is available. No, you just swap, pan your mouse, please. This is how you use a laptop. Pan your mouse like so. देखें नजर आ रहा है जी सब कुछ available है सब कुछ available है guys. Everything is available. तो अब प्लीज़ पास्ट पेपर के लेक्चर्स देके अपने चीज़ें सिलेबस के मुताबिक लेके चले और चीज़ों को समझे. थैंक यू गाइस. शुभ शुभ बोलिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. बाय. कसम से यार.